In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add multiple email addresses to a contact in HubSpot. This is incredibly useful if your contact uses more than one email for work, or if you want to make sure your team has backup email information stored in the same record. The good news is, HubSpot makes this very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can follow along and update your contacts in just a few clicks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips and CRM tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, you need to open the contact record that you want to update. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. Click on Contacts, and then from the drop-down menu, click on Contacts again. This will take you to your full contact list, where you can search, filter, and manage all of your records. Now, either use the search bar at the top to find a specific contact by name or email, or scroll through the list to locate them manually. Once you find the correct contact, click on their name to open their contact record. You'll now be inside the detailed view, where you can see all their properties, activity history, and associated records. Next, we're going to edit the primary email field. On the contact record page, look over to the left-hand panel, where the main contact properties are displayed. Find the email property in that list. When you hover your mouse over the email field, you'll see an edit icon appear, which looks like a small pencil. Click on that pencil icon to open the email editor. This will bring up a pop-up window where you can manage the email addresses associated with this contact. The primary email address will be displayed at the top of this editor. Now let's add a secondary email address. Inside the email editor pop-up, you'll see the primary email clearly labeled at the top. Directly below it, there's an option that says plus add email address. Click on that option. A new field will appear where you can type in the additional email address for this contact. Enter the secondary email carefully to avoid typos. Once you've added the new email address, click Save at the bottom of the pop-up. HubSpot will now store both the primary and secondary email addresses under the same contact record. The primary email remains the main address for communication, but the additional email is saved and associated with that contact. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple email addresses to a single contact in HubSpot. This is a great way to keep your CRM clean, organized, and complete without creating duplicate records. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.